So you might be in a situation where for some reason your iPhone's 120 hertz display just isn't working. So you might be scrolling through, but you're looking at it and you're like, wow, I really don't know what's going on within this particular display. Now, the first thing I'd recommend doing is making sure you don't have any sort of low power mode on. If you do have a low power mode on or any option like low power mode, that's typically going to be one of the main problems you run into here. So just go through, make sure you don't have any low power mode on because that's probably going to end up causing the problems for you. Now, another thing is making sure you even have ProMotion on enabled in the first place. So hop into your settings, scroll down until you find the accessibility option right here, then tap on motion. There should be a little motion option, so find that little motion option that you have available. And once you find motion, tap on it, and there should be a little reduce motion option. Make sure that's not the case. There could also be a limit frame rate option at the bottom too. Make sure that's not enabled. Make sure it's turned off. Now, if that's not working, another thing you might want to try doing too is checking if your device overheats or there's any thermal throttling. Sometimes if your iPhone gets very, very hot, that can also kind of cause one of those types of issues as well. So that can be another problem. I'd probably recommend kind of looking at that and making sure there's no problems there either. You can also try going through and restarting your iPhone. So go through, restart your iPhone and see if that ends up causing or fixing any problems too. So in terms of that, that covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.